Hello everyone, this is Natalie from nellydesign.com. Today I want to show you the brand new cheat sheet that I made for you, and I'm pretty happy about it. It's a cheat sheet about Cricut blades, wheels, and tip. I know there's a lot of blades and wheels and tips out there for the Cricut, especially for the maker, and it can get really confusing. So I have made this cheat sheet so you can know which blade is which, if it fits in the maker or in the Explore Air, which mat you can use it with, and what materials can you use with this blade. So if I scroll down a bit, you'll see every blade, wheels, and tips there are, and you'll have all the information. So I won't go on talking about this more because you'll have all the details on my blog. The link is in the description of this video. But what I want to tell you is that I have made a summary of this cheat sheet that you will be able to stick in the inside panel of your Cricut. And that's what I want to show you. So right here in Cricut Design Space, we're going to click Upload because we're going to use the Print and Cut feature to cut the summary version of this cheat sheet. So in Upload, you're going to click on Upload Images, and you're going to browse until you find it on your computer where you have saved it before. And it is called Cheat Sheet Summary, and it's a JPEG file. So you select this one, and you're going to click Complex and hit Continue. So now I'm going to zoom out. I just want to show you that there is two tables, and you'll see that at the bottom I show you how you can stick it to your Cricut. So what we'll be doing, we're going to be cutting only the two tables because we don't need the rest. So here with the crop tool, I'm making a wide rectangle. It doesn't matter if it's precise or not, saying that this is the only thing I want to keep. Then with the Select and Erase tool, I'm going to click here to remove all of the background. Then you can click on Continue, save it as a print and cut image, and then click Save. So once it's here, you select it and you click on Insert Images. So once they're here, you're going to hit Make It. And now Cricut Design Space is preparing it for a print and cut because it already knows we want to print it. So I'm going to hit Continue. And you're going to send it to your printer. Now I'm using an Avery sticker paper, so I don't have to put any scotch tape or anything. So let's say I have sent it to my printer. I'm going to go and click here. I've already printed because I want to show you the next steps. For the Avery sticker paper, you'll need to create your own material. I have already created mine. How you do that is that you go to Material Setting, you scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you create Add a New Material. Then you're going to name it and you're going to click Save. What I do is that I always put an underscore when I name a new material. So what happens is that they are all at the top. Everything that I've created as an underscore right here. So I know that those are mine. And you see the Avery 3383 sticker paper. This is the one I took. If you want the link, it will be on my blog, and the link to the blog post is in the description of this video. So let's say I click Edit. This is what you're going to have. You're going to put your cut pressure down to 85. I suggest you make a test before, make sure that 85 is enough pressure for you, because the wear of your blade might not be the same as mine, but it should be around 85. So you're going to hit Save. I'll have to hit Cancel. Let's close this panel, and then you're going to browse all material, and since you named it Avery, you can just look for Avery, search, and here it is, sticker paper Avery. Let's click Done, and now the only thing I have to do is make it. So this is a simple way to stick it to your Cricut, and I really hope that this cheat sheet helps you from now on to know which blade to use, what mat to use with the blade, and which materials you can also use with the blade. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye!